Hi, I'm Christy, and today I'm going to show you how to add convenience to your day-to-day life and value to your home with Legrand's XL Life Smart, a complete suite of smart switches and power points that allow you to control your home using voice, touch, or your smart device. Part of the award-winning XL Life range, these wiring devices have been a staple in Aussie homes for over a decade, and now they add a little smart, making your home more convenient, energy efficient, and secure. This is how. We can all use a little help in the morning. I've created a workday schedule via Google Home incorporating my XL Life smart switches and power points. At 7 a.m, my alarm wakes me up, my bedroom lights turn on at 30% brightness for a smooth wake up, and my workout playlist gets me motivated. While I'm out on my morning jog, I can set my blender to automatically turn on so my smoothie is fresh and ready when I return. And when I leave for work, a simple press of the wireless master switch ensures all lights and appliances are turned off. This can also be activated via the Home and Control app. And if for some reason I completely forget about it, my XL Life Smart Home will send me an alert. The remote access also comes in handy when I'm working late at the office. I can remotely turn lights and lamps on for extra security, or switch on the fan so my home is nice and cool prior to my arrival. How many times have we all arrived home with groceries or our hands full searching for our keys? I've created a scenario that allows me to get into my home quickly and easily. Hey Siri, I'm home.
Welcome home.
This scenario opens my garage door and turns on my lights so I'm able to get inside quickly and safely without searching for keys or flicking switches. I've also created scenarios for my evening routine, such as cooking. Hey Google, it's time to cook, which instantly adjusts my lighting brightness and turns on my cooking playlists. And using voice control, I can activate the front door lights without interrupting what I'm doing. It's important to stay on top of energy consumption, especially now we're spending more time at home. From the Home and Control app, I'm able to monitor the energy consumption of individual appliances, turn them on and off, or set them on a timer. XL Life Smart is affordable and easy to install as it uses the same wiring as a regular switch or power point, which can be carried out by your licensed electrician. Plus, you don't have to spend money upgrading existing lights or appliances. It's also available in a number of colors and finishes. My personal tip would be to start small, like in a living space and a bedroom, to experience the convenience and comfort it brings to your everyday routine, and then upgrade gradually. The Home and Control app is compatible with Android and iOS devices, along with popular digital assistants such as Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple's HomeKit and Siri. XL Life Smart's technology can be updated as new features and products become available. The app uses high encryption protocols and is backed by Legrand's strict privacy guidelines, so you know that your data is safe. Add a little smart and bring value to your home with the affordable range of XL Life Smart wiring devices by Legrand.